Hello everyone, myself lecturer Ms. Aditya Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques. Today we are going to discuss about the experiments from pharmaceutics 2. So first of all, let's discuss regarding introduction to the monophasic liquid dosage forms, in that specially the liquid meant for external administration, that liquids applied on skin. So the liniments are fluid, semi-fluid or occasionally semi-solid preparations that are intended for application to the skin. They may be alcoholic or oily solutions or emulsions. Most are massaged into the skin. For an example, counter-irritant. Liniment should not be applied to the broken skin. Recommended containers are: liniment should be dispensed in colored fluted bottle. Special labeling instructions for liniments are: for external use only, shake well before use, and not to be applied to open wound or broken skin. Storage: liniment should be stored in a tightly closed airtight container in a cool place. In next session we will discuss regarding actual experiment. Experiment number 43. Title of this experiment is to prepare and submit the turpentine liniment BP, that is British Pharmacopoeia, 10 ml. Proposition 1. Emulsion type liniment made with soft soap. The learning objectives of this experiment are to understand the method of preparation of soap emulsions and ability to prepare and label the emulsion meant for external use correctly. Apparatus required are mortar, pestle, measuring cylinder, pipette, beaker, muslin cloth. Factor calculated as quantity required upon quantity given, that is equal to 10 upon 1000 is equal to 0.01. Prescription is given over here by the symbol Rx. So the soft soap 75 gram, camphor 50 gram, turpentine oil 650 ml, purified water 225 ml. So this is the formula table, that is type means the category or role or use of ingredient, translation name of ingredient. Here is the formula is directly given in the metric system. So the quantity given in the imperial system are not given. So we have directly quantities in metric system for 1000 ml and quantity taken in metric system for 10 ml. Soft soap used as a lubricant, quantity given in metric system 75 gram, quantity taken to prepare up to 10 ml 0.75 gram. Camphor used as anti-itching agent, quantity given in the metric system to prepare up to 1000 ml, that is 50 gram. Quantity taken in metric system 0.5 gram. This quantity should be calculated with the help of factor. Turpentine oil used as a rubefacient absorption enhancer. Quantity given in the metric system is a 650 ml and quantity taken to prepare up to 10 ml, that is 6.5 ml. Then purified water used as a vehicle. Quantity given in the metric system is 225 ml and quantity taken is quantity sufficient to prepare up to 10 ml. Direction to be used as directed by physician. So now let's to perform the practical in laboratory. So we have, this is the soft soap which is a previously wet, this is the camphor which is also previously wet, this is the turpentine oil and purified water. So first of all I am going to triturate this soft soap with camphor in mortar and pestle. Then after trituration, now I am going to add this turpentine oil into it and again proceed for trituration. Now I am going to add little bit amount of water, purified water into it. Then now again proceed for proper trituration. After proper mixing, now we will move towards volume method. So after trituration I poured that formulation into this measuring cylinder. Now I will make up the volume up to 10 ml with the help of purified water. After that, now I am going to transfer this formulation into this container and then we will proceed for next labeling part. So now let's move towards labeling part. So labeling of formulation liniment 10 ml. For ABC means name of patient, register number, that is XYZ number given in the register. Dispensed by PQR means name of pharmacist. Manufacturing date September 2020. Storage conditions: stored in a cool place. Shake well before scheme manufactured by NML Pharmacy Nasik. Result: the 10 ml of this liniment is submitted in this amber colored glass bottle for inspection with special instruction label as shake well before use. Thank you.